Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing a complete guide on how to prevent someone from seeing your bio in Telegram. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your Android device. Step 2. Look for the 3 lines at the top left corner of your screen and tap on them. Step 3. From the menu that appears, select in Settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy and Security. Step 5. Under the Privacy section, locate and tap on Bio. Step 6. Now, under Add Exception, tap on Add Users. Step 7. Select the individuals you want to prevent from seeing your bio and tap on the check icon. That's it. You've successfully prevented specific users from viewing your bio on Telegram. Your privacy is now protected. By following these simple steps, you can have better control over who can access your personal information on Telegram. It's important to safeguard your privacy and ensure that only the people you trust can see your bio. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.